Okay, welcome. Here's your HMH lesson for today. You're going to need two things. You're going to need, first of all, the packet that says homophones. It's in your baggie. It says homophones vocabulary strategy. Looks like this. Has a picture of a squirrel and nut eating nuts or something right there. You're also going to need the Module 6 Week 1 assessment paper. It looks like this. It says Lost and Found, a weather balloon. So we're going to take that today, but before we do that, let's go ahead and do some lessons together. So we are talking about homophones again. Homophones sound alike but do not have the same spelling or meaning. Look for context clues in the word spelling to figure out its meaning. You can also use a dictionary. Homophones are pairs of words that sound alike but have different spellings and mean different things. Here's an example. We have pair, like a pair of shoes, and we have pear, like the fruit, right? Pair of shoes is spelled P-A-I-R, and the pear, the fruit you eat, is spelled P-E-A-R. We use context clues in the way the word is spelled to help figure out what the word's meaning is. If you are still not sure about the word's meaning, look it up in the dictionary. So for example, if the sentence is, I ate a pair for lunch, you know that they're not talking about shoes because you don't eat a pair of shoes for lunch, do you? No. Then they're probably talking about the fruit. If you say, I went to Foot Locker and bought a pair of shoes, you know Foot Locker doesn't sell fruit. So you know you probably bought 2 shoes. All right. The children ate a sandwich. I counted 8 slices of apple. So there's 8 and 8. You see how they sound alike? Everyone say 8. Say 8. They sound alike, but I know the first 8 is to eat in the past. I know the second 8 is the number 8. Because when you count a number, and when you put something in your mouth or it's a sandwich, you're probably going to eat it. So that's 8. Here's another one. One and one. Everyone say 1 and 1. Vin found 1 seashell. Our team won the game. So he found 1 seashell and then he won the game. They sound alike, but one of them means the number and the other one means to win something, but in the past. Here's another one. Emir picked a flower, and we need flour to bake bread. They sound the same, flower and flower. The first flower is like a rose, a flower that grows in the garden. The second flower, F-L-O-U-R, is the flour you use to bake. My puzzle is missing a piece. Dad will get no peace in this noisy house. So peace and peace. The first piece is like a piece of something, like a puzzle piece, okay? The second piece is like peace out, peace, quiet, peace, serenity, right? So P-I-E-C-E and P-E-A-C-E. I want us to watch this quick video about, it's Between the Lions, about homophones.
Television viewers.
And now singer-songwriter and recording artist Mr. Brian McKnight and the incomparable Ms. Cleo Lyon with a song about a very unusual H word. Homophones.
I read this book. It's red. Come look. A book about our special love. Homophones.
Right here you'll hear 2 words that sound the same, but don't look the same. Here's the name, homophones.
I know
Anyway, that was just a funny video, homophone. Or it wasn't funny to me. It was kind of funny. Anyway, so let's go ahead and look at our worksheet that we have out. That says homophones on it. So if we look at number 1, we're at the worksheet with a squirrel on it. If we look at number 1, it says choose a homophone to complete each sentence. The squirrel dug a blank to hide a nut. Let me wait and see which hole. Destin, which hole? I'm sorry? Spell it. Which one? Good job. H-O-L-E. The squirrel dug out H-O-L-E to hide the nut. That's the kind of hole. And then you're going to write the meaning on the line. What is the meaning of hole? It's a space that you dig, right? It's a space that you dig. Maybe to hide something, maybe for different reasons. Who knows? That's not the point. Is not why you're doing it. The point is, what is a hole? It's a space in an object. All right, number 2, Dad wears glasses to help him. See. Okay, don't tell me which one. Hold on. JC, what kind of C? S-E-E. Number 2, S-E-E. Don't worry about writing the definition now. We can do that later. Number 3, Jackson likes to sit on the bench and look at the what, Mariah? Look, good. What kind of sea? S-E-A. Jackson likes to sit on the beach and look at the S-E-A, the sea, the water, the ocean, sea. S-E-A. Our blank class will sing a song together at the assembly. Christian, our what class? Whole class. W-H-O-L-E. Whole class. All right, let's look at number 5 and 6. We have break and break. B-R-E-A-K and B-R-A-K-E. Who can raise their hand and tell me what B-R-E-A-K means? Mariah. Good, like I took a break. I've been doing this for too long. I need a break. So next to number 5, I need you to write to take a break. That kind of break means to take a break. Number 6 is B-R-A-K-E. What does that mean? Leah? To break something. Very good. Like this is broken. It could also mean like to hit the brakes in the car. A break. Huh? I broke a what? A vase. Okay, but that's broke. This is break. That's the past tense. This is currently. Present tense. All right. And again, don't worry about writing definition. We'll do that later. Now we're going to move on, and we're going to go back to, we're going to look at digital tools and text. So if you go to the next page, page 158, it says digital tools and text, and it has a picture of a little tornado. Let's see if I can find this. Here it is. Digital tools are types of technology that help find, create, and share information. We have computers, tablets, and smartphones. These help us find, create, and share, right? We can always share stuff using either a tablet, phone, computer. You know that, right? Okay. We can also use these digital tools to present stuff, to create and display. Right now, I am presenting things on the board behind me. I am displaying them. So digital texts are things you read or experience through digital tools, such as stories, articles, videos, or even songs. Those are all digital texts. They may have special features. They may have hyperlinks, audio, video, interactive diagram. Here in this one, let's see, does it have hyperlinks? No. It does have, or no, here it says play audio. So sometimes this one does have audio, and sometimes it does have interactive diagrams. Like here, if I look here, it has hyperlinks, and this is the book, my teacher book, but it has hyperlinks where I can click on it, and it opens up an anchor chart. It has digital downloads where I can click here, and it'll download the worksheet for me. Ta-da! So these are all digital tools, okay? So if we go back and look at this is page 158. It says a digital tool is a type of technology like a computer, tablet, or smartphone. A digital text is a text you read or experience using digital tools. A presentation is a formal way to share information with others. You can use a presentation tool like a digital slide when presenting. So, read the digital text below, then answer the questions about it. Wild weather facts. Tornadoes. All right, tornadoes form when strong winds spin in a circle. A tornado is a large gray cloud that is wide at the top and skinny at the bottom. Follow along. Most tornadoes only last a few minutes, but some are very strong. Take cover if you see one. For more information about wild weather, click on the Wild Weather Facts homepage. If something is underlined and in bold like that, that means it's called a what? It's called a hyperlink. That means if you click on it, something else will pop up. It's called a hyperlink. All right, we have tornado videos, tornado sounds, and tornado safety tips. These are all icons to tell us what these things mean. And there's also a video here, right? How long is this video?
6 minutes and 32 seconds.
Good job. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. It tells you that at the end. Awesome. What is a digital tool that you could use to find and read this digital text? What is a digital? Okay. What's a digital tool you can use to find and read this digital text? Well, you're right, I can use the search bar. What else can I use, Leia? Huh? The iPad, okay. I can use the iPad, a computer, a cell phone, and I can find tornadoes by, as Brenaya said, I could search it in the search bar right here at the top. All right, number 2. Circle, hold on. We said that we can use either iPad or a phone or a computer, but looking at the screen, what does it look like they used?
TV.
This is not a TV. No, what is this? This is a computer. Guys, look, if it has little tabs at the top, that's a computer. Your phone doesn't have tabs. You're not going to get a phone that has a tab on it like that. It could be a computer or a tablet. Tablets have tabs.
Yeah, what is that?
Tabs. This is a tab. Look how I just opened a new tab. Hold on. Ta-da. It's like a new little link at the top. You just press the plus button. Okay, that's a tab. So see here how it has tabs? So if it says what digital tool, you're either going to write, you're not going to write phone. You can either write a computer, most likely this is a computer, or a tablet, but sometimes tablets look like this too. So you can write computer or tablet, and then how can you find it? By searching the search bar. All right, so if you wrote phone, it's wrong. Make sure you erase that. 2, circle the letters of the special features you see in Wild Weather Facts Tornado. What are the special features? Is there a video recording? Is there a video here?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, there is. It's right there. It's right there, smack down in the middle of the screen. Is there a video?
Yes.
Yes, circle A. Is there a hyperlink?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Remember I talked about that. The hyperlink is where it's underlined in bold, where it says Wild Weather Facts. This right here. This is called a hyperlink. Okay, so is there a hyperlink? Yes, there is. Okay. C, interactive diagram. Is there an interactive diagram? Where? No, there's not. A diagram is like a graph. Is there something like a graph where you can kind of touch it? No. So are we circling C? No. How about audio recording? Is there an audio recording? Yes. Tornado videos and an audio recording is like the sounds. So yes, there is. All right. 3. Which special features would you click on to find information about other kinds of wild weather? What special feature would you click on? What is this called? What did we just say that's called? It's called a hyperlink. So I would click on Wild Weather Facts hyperlink. Write that down. I would click on Wild Weather Facts hyperlink. The last question is very easy. Share a fact you learned about tornadoes. Write and draw in the box to make a slide you could use to present the information. So you're going to do that part on your own. And then when you're done with that, you're going to do Module 6, Week 1 test. It looks like this. It says Lost and Found a Weather Balloon at the top. Make sure you turn all that in to me today. All right? I'll see you later. Bye.